Ever pondered the intricacies of midjourney? Well, today we explore the world of this unique tool, breaking down its use into simple, manageable steps. Buckle up for an enlightening ride. Imagine you are stepping into a new territory, the land of midjourney. One of the first stepping stone on this journey is understanding the prerequisites. This could mean setting up an account, installing the required software, or accessing a specific interface. It's all about preparing for the journey ahead. Next, you need to become a map expert. This means getting to know the user interface, discovering where key features hide, and how to access various tools. It's like learning the language of a new country. Now it's time to engage with the locals, or in this case, the tutorials. Whether you're a novice traveler or an experienced adventurer, there's a tutorial that fits your skill level. Following along with a tutorial and applying the steps in real time if possible is like having a personal tour guide on your journey. Once you've got the lay of the land, it's time to get your hands dirty. Start by applying basic commands or actions. Learn how to initiate tasks, input commands, or interact with midjourney. This is your chance to start creating and manipulating your own projects. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to push the boundaries. Explore advanced features like using reference materials, adjusting settings for more complex outputs, or integrating midjourney with other tools or platforms. It's like adding new tools to your travel kit. Don't forget to continuously apply what you've learned by creating new projects or refining existing ones. Remember, practice makes perfect. And don't shy away from experimenting with various inputs and settings to see how they affect your output. This trial and error process can lead to new insights and techniques. In summary, using midjourney is a journey of discovery. It starts with understanding the prerequisites, familiarizing yourself with the interface, and engaging with tutorials. From there, you dive into practical application, character creation, and advanced features. Finally, it's all about iterative learning and experimentation. It's a journey worth embarking on, offering endless possibilities for creativity and innovation.